Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Today we are in Istanbul Jewelry Show with our great booth to present all our products. In this show we have plenty of space, so we have a chance to introduce you all our machinery. I'm gonna show you each of our products, but first I wanna get a feedback from my colleagues. How is the exhibition going? My friend, please come. How is the exhibition going? Esra is following our Western markets, Europe, United States, South America. These markets are pretty important. One big difficulty with these markets are there are plenty of small countries, so there are many different languages. How do you feel with the exhibition?
Actually, in the exhibition, it's a really chance for us to meet all the customers from all over the world. So today is the last day, and we are a little bit sorry to just go back from here. We are a little bit upset.
Upset?
Yes,
Why are you upset?
because they just really love to communicate with the different cultures. So that's why.
Are you upset to communicate different cultures? Oh, they are nice.
No, I mean in the exhibition I can meet the customers, and I really love to communicate with the other cultures. But when the exhibition is just finished, we just make the video calls. But the video calls we can catch you and prepare all the orders from you.
If you are not able to come Istanbul or any other exhibitions we are participating, don't worry, we have a great system for video call to present you our products, supported with videos, with plenty of presentations. Soon our metaverse shop will be ready.
Yeah,
It's a surprise. So good luck with the exhibition.
thank you so much. We are waiting.
This is Deniz. She's following the local market. She's busy with our local customers in Turkey. Especially we have a showroom in Kuyumcu Jewelry Complex. How is the exhibition going? Is it going?
It's good, busy, crowded.
You don't seem so happy.
I- I'm a little bit tired, but I'm happy all the time because I'm working in Bulunmaz.
Of course. We are a little bit tired because there are plenty of customers coming in. Of course, it's not as busy as before COVID-19 exhibitions, but we still have lots of customers. Especially some machines are new, so we are introducing them to our customers. That's lots of effort.
For example, CNC lathe machine.
CNC lathe machine. Here we have our different guys. Hendro is from Indonesia. He's taking care of some Asian markets. He's here to introduce our hand cutting, and Turgay is the main guy. He is the real owner of secret owner of the company, and
Secrets.
very secret. So don't tell anyone. How is the
Nobody
exhibition
see
going?
me. Exhibition is
Nobody
good,
see
very
you.
good, but today is last day, not so many people, and also mostly is Turkish people come. But good, very good.
Good.
Yeah, very good. And also,
What you
You know-
gonna say if they are not able to visit Istanbul exhibition?
every time coming to Istanbul exhibition, please.
If I cannot come,
You cannot come, we can come, no problem.
we can come. We are traveling all around
Just
the world.
call us.
Just next week we are in Mexico. We are traveling
Yeah.
to many different countries. Turgay is specialized on hand cutting, and now he is doing a mechanical machine. So wherever you are, just watch our website, YouTube, Instagram. You can see our program where we gonna be next.
Yeah, okay. Next time,
Next time.
see you in Mexico.
See you next time.
1 week later.
See you Mexico.
See you.
This is the most handsome. Are you technician or what? Okay, technician. Okay, technician. Very handsome technician. I will sell him to the fashion industry.
Yeah,
How is it? How is the exhibition going?
exhibition is good. This is the last day. I am introduced Excalibur high skill machine in Bulunmaz, the last version.
I choose the wrong day for the interview with colleagues because we are pretty tired.
Yeah, we are a little tired because I am this exhibition the second for me.
Ufuk is in love. No.
Broken heart.
Bangle Master is the leading product for this year for us. That's 12 axis CNC machine that you can work on rings, bangles, flat parts, watches, many different items. Just have a look at our channel for more videos about Bangle Master. But I'm not interested in Bangle Master. I am interested in Mr. Hakan.
Hello,
How are you?
fine, how about you?
Where are you from?
I'm from.
How is the exhibition going?
Exhibition is very good today. It's not so busy, but we work a
It's the
lot.
last
yeah.
day.
Yeah, this is the last day.
How was the first, second, third day?
Yeah, it was very busy for us. You know, many customers were here. Then we introduced our machine, Bengal Master, for them. So this is our latest one, 12 axis, as you see.
What is the most common three question about this machine?
Spindle RPMs they ask mostly.
How fast is the spindle?
Yeah, how fast is spindle and how many tools it's inside. You know.
Okay, how many tools?
Yeah, 9 tools.
9 tools.
Yeah, 9 tools.
Why not 10?
Really? 9 tools because I like single numbers.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm obsessive. That's why.
Are you married?
No, not yet.
Single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Single. That's our CNC lathe machine, and Furkan is responsible for this project. He's learning, studying about CNC lathe. He's finding out what missing parts we have in the lathe, what kind of software updates we're gonna make. How is the exhibition going?
Very good. So much customers.
How many customers?
Too much.
Are they beautiful?
Yes.
Okay,
Of course, every day.
okay. How is the interest on this machine from the customers? Because it's a new machine, new model.
Yes, new machine. Machine can very light rings.
Light rings.
Yes, very light rings.
This machine is specialized on light rings. When you wanna make very light rings, like how many gram?
1.5, 2.5 gram.
These hollow rings you can easily manufacture in our CNC lathe machine. Normally a ring would weight 4-5 gram, but you can go down even 1.5 to 2.5 gram with CNC lathe machine.
Yes, exactly.
Where can we see this machine after the exhibition?
In our factory, you can see the machine.
Always welcome to our factory.
See you next fair.
See you again.
See you
When is next fair?
next year.
Eyüp, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I am fine too. How-
Fine. Tool.
Tool. Eyüp is a specialist on the hand cutting. How is the exhibition going? Fuar nasıl gidiyor?
Fuar çok iyi gidiyor. O kadar mutluyum ki 4 gündür buradayım. Daha önce yaşamadığım duyguları yaşıyorum.
Eyüp doesn't speak English, but he is very.
Tercih olarak yani istemiyorum.
He doesn't like. But he speaks Turkish.
Çünkü ben İngilizce konuşuyordum. Bir arkadaşımı kaybettim, ayrıldık. Tövbe ettim. Bir daha İngilizce konuşmayacağım diye.
Peki işler nasıl? İşler oldu mu?
İşler bence güzel oldu. Yani beklediğimizin de üzerinde geçti. Çünkü biz hiçbir şey beklemiyorduk.
Çünkü
Çok iyi yani.
ben artık
Beklentiyi düşük tutmak lazım ki her zaman kazanabilirsin.
ama Bulunmaz'a geldiğiniz zaman beklentiyi yüksek tutabileceğinizi düşünüyorum.
Tabii kesinlikle. Burası için farklı. Ben yarın için konuşuyorum.
Ha,
Yarın
evet.
ben tekim.
Yarın kim öle kim kalan?
Yarın ben tekim burada.
Hadi tercüme yap.
Yarın buradayım.
Necmettin abi.
Necmettin abi coming.
Teşekkür ederim.
Teşekkür ediyorum.
Görüşmek üzere. Hakan, how is it going?
It's going well.
We
Everything
are-
fine. We are in Jewelry fair, you know.
Are you in Jewelery
And-
fair?
But we are very good machine company.
Hakan is busy with ring maker. Hakan, how did you decide to get this big booth?
We decided to get this booth because we have many machines here. You see, we don't have to, we don't have to deal.
Can you show?
Booth, of course.
Later on. We got plenty of new machines, so we had to have a really big booth. That's why we got this big booth in Istanbul Jewelry Show. So, for example, you are handsome.
Welcome.
You are so handsome.
Thank you so much.
We only hire handsome technicians. Everything's gonna be alright.
Yeah. Today we have a lot of customers, and Also, we have a lot of machines.
Can you show me your
This
machine?
Yeah.
Explain.
This is new machine. It has one spindle, 60,000 RPM, and one C-axis. You can make background model, nice background model, and also you can cut your pendants, your design. Also, it can turn 180 degree, and it has automatic pulling. Yeah. Also, you can make nice design. Also, you can make 3D model.
And you can be handsome.
Yeah. Also, this machine so handsome.
You see the exhibition is extremely busy. We cannot shoot the video.
We have to take a lot of video for this exhibition because we want to see all machines to customers.
You can come to our booth in Istanbul Jewelry Show and watch out Excalibur what's it doing. If you wanna have a look at the samples.
Don't forget to subscribe on Instagram and YouTube channel.
Mahmut, don't forget to subscribe.
I will subscribe for sure.
Are you subscribed?
I'm subscribed.
Thank you. Everybody subscribe our channel. By the way, in our booth there are plenty of people visiting. Like, welcome to our booth.
Kuyrukçu.
Murat Kuyrukçu. That's the new president just elected of Chamber of Jewelry of Izmir. That's the second, third city of Turkey, İzmir.
İzmir'de evet hem imalatçı atölyeci firma hem sizde de çalışıyoruz yani. Bulunmaz kalemle yıllardır çalışıyoruz. Turgay kardeşimizle. Hem İzmir'de üreticiyiz hem de İzmir Kuyumcu Odası Başkanıyım.
Yeni
Ama-
herhalde bu.
Evet Ocak ayında seçimlerde kazandık. Geçtiğimiz fuarlara, geçmişteki fuarlara baz alırsak eğer geçtiğimiz Mart'lara göre bence %50'nin altında yani şey
zaten
hem
korona-
şu anlamında hem şey anlamında. Sanırım savaşın etkileri bunlar. Hani savaşın etkilerini görüyoruz yani burada görüyoruz. Çok
Bekliyoruz,
net görüyoruz.
bakalım. Standınız sizin de var herhalde.
Hemen burada evet benim de standım var. İyi fuarlar.
O zaman çok sağ olun. Görüşmek üzere. Kolay gelsin. Andrew is our guy for the hand cutting tool working in our office in Indonesia. Our office in Indonesia is kind of Bulunmaz Asia office because they are responsible for several countries in the region. Bulunmaz Indonesia is taking care of Indonesia, of course, Malaysia, Philippines, the countries are in the region. So he's here in Turkey in the exhibition to learn more about diamond cut, to introduce diamond cut to our customers coming from the Asia. And you have beautiful shirt
I'm using batik
from Indonesia.
from Indonesia, special from Indonesia to Istanbul.
Come to Indonesia, sunny country. Very busy exhibition, but no problem. Of course, it's not a problem. It's a good thing because lots of business. And now I will talk to the cutest guy of the exhibition. Welcome.
Thank you. Welcome. 200 axis.
This is 200 axis guy. Free of charge. You can rent for free.
Yes, of course.
And it's buy one free one. He has a son. It's coming with the training with him. But he's shy
Yeah.
in this moment.
I'm
It's like the baby. First
I'm very
5
shy.
minutes shy. After jump around.
because I don't want to see
Yes. You are beautiful.
anybody. No, thank you very much.
Handsome. Ladies and gentlemen, our television is closed and he said because why it's closed?
I don't know.
Kumandaları yok.
Yes.
There is remote controller disappeared. Hello. How are you? What you do here in the company?
Burada müşterilerimize yardımcı olmaya çalışıyoruz. Ben Türkiye pazarlamadan sorumluyum. Kaan. Türkiye'deki müşterilerimize, Anadolu'daki müşterilerimizin hepsine yardımcı oluyorum. Burada gelen tüm yurt içi ve yurt dışı misafirlerimizi karşılıyoruz. Yardımcı oluyoruz müşterimize ağırlamak için burada. Misafir etmek için bekliyoruz.
You can contact Turkish Market. Kaan iç pazar müşterilerimiz Kaan'ı bulabilirler. Bir iki kaç kişi iç pazarı kaç kişi takip ediyorsunuz toplamda?
Şu an toplamda 4 kişi takip ediyoruz.
4 kişi iç pazar. Kuyumcukent Vizyon Park zaten. Fabrikalar bölgesine, çarşı bölgesine. Anadolu'daki birçok şehre arabayla gidip geliyorlar zaten.
Bu şekilde bekliyoruz hepinizi.
O zaman benim söyleyecek bir şeyim yok.
İyi günler.
Ben çay içmeye gidiyorum. Bak. Welcome to Indonesia. We have a office showroom in Indonesia. That's Bulunmaz Asia, responsible for Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and several other countries in the region. We have all our machinery in our Indonesia showroom. You can, whenever you want, visit in Surabaya city and see all our machinery.
Yes, correct. If you come to Surabaya, you can see our machine there. There is bangle master, ring maker, faceting machine, lathe machine, micromotor, and everything you can see. Please come to Surabaya.
Welcome to Indonesia. This is the mechanical machines. She gonna introduce you our mechanical machine line. As I can see, you have all the type of mechanical machines here. Can you show us?
Of course. Hi. Can you show us?
Can
your
you show us?
machine?
Şunu
Çalıştırır
yakın
mısın?
tut
Ha.
da.
Can you show your machine to us?
Can you show the machine?
He is professional.
Very professional.
Yes.
You can always follow our Instagram account because we are posting all our new models. We have plenty of technicians here developing new models every day. And you will see these new models on our Instagram account at Bulunmaz. She has to leave for the customer. Thank you very much. See you again. So that was our booth in Istanbul Jewelry Show. You can have a look. Every March and October we are exhibiting in Istanbul Jewelry Show whenever you want. It's a visa-free country for almost all the nations in the world. We have Turkish Airlines flying all around the world. You can come with a direct flight to Turkey from most places of the world. So you are always welcome to visit Turkey Istanbul Jewelry Show, our company. I will keep shooting more from the Jewelry Show. I will show more. I will introduce you more of our customers, more of our products in the tomorrow and the next day. Okay, I will shooting. Thank you.